Okay, we're going to go ahead and start the car. You'll hear the knocking noise. Go ahead, Darren. You can hear the knocking noise evidently in the beginning of the startup. And he's going to go ahead and rev it, and you can hear some knocking at the revving point. He's going to go ahead and rev it up right now. Go ahead, rev it up. Okay. As you can hear the revving and the knocking now. It's still as the engine is running. Mike. And he's going to shut it off, and it does the same thing, knocking. Okay, hey, go ahead, shut it off. Mike, go ahead and listen to this and get back to me as soon as possible, because I am left without any vehicle right now. If you can give me a call back, I'd surely appreciate it. Thanks.